Eating chicken every day will do this to your body. The chicken, a humble yet versatile protein, can be cooked in various ways and paired with any flavor to create a delicious dish. For centuries, it has been a staple in our diets worldwide, primarily due to its numerous health advantages. The nutritional value of chicken should not be overlooked, as it is a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals that promote growth and overall wellness. In this video, we will delve into the many health benefits of chicken, including stress reduction, improved immunity, decreased cholesterol levels, weight loss promotion, cognitive decline prevention, and more. Be sure to watch until the end to learn about all the benefits. 1. Reduced risk of heart disease. With its high content of vitamin B6, chicken can help reduce the levels of homocysteine in your body, a compound linked to an increased risk of heart disease and heart attacks. Additionally, chicken is a good source of niacin, which can help lower cholesterol levels. As you may be aware, high cholesterol is a significant contributor to heart attacks and strokes. Another way in which chicken can promote heart health is through its rich supply of omega-3 fatty acids, which have antioxidant properties and offer cardiovascular benefits. 2. Slower cognitive decline. Chicken is a plentiful source of niacin, a type of vitamin B that supports the body in defending against various types of DNA damage and cancer. It is also rich in vitamin B3, which is crucial for cognitive function. Lack of vitamin B3, particularly niacin, can lead to genetic damage. Therefore, incorporating chicken into your diet in appropriate amounts may aid in preventing genetic deterioration and cognitive decline associated with aging. Furthermore, chicken can assist in averting age-related conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. 3. Reduced stress levels. Tryptophan, an amino acid present in chicken, can induce a relaxing, sleep-inducing effect in individuals after consumption. Chicken also boasts vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid or the anti-stress vitamin. This vitamin helps to regulate cortisol secretion and supports the production of hormones that reduce stress. Research has demonstrated that vitamin B5 may alleviate depression and anxiety, alleviate migraines, and assist those attempting to quit smoking or drinking. 4. Protection against anemia. Anemia is a concerning health issue that should be addressed seriously. One way to manage anemia is by consuming foods that are rich in iron. Chicken liver is a notable source of iron, along with several vitamins like vitamin A, E, and K that are involved in red blood cell production. Adequate intake of iron and vitamins helps the body produce and maintain a healthy balance of red blood cells, thereby addressing anemia. However, in cases of severe deficiency, it is recommended to consult a doctor instead of self-medicating. 5. Stronger muscles. Chicken is often linked with fitness enthusiasts, and this association is justified. Chicken is a superb source of high-quality protein, which consists of amino acids that are the foundation of muscle tissue. Because it is a lean meat, chicken has a higher proportion of protein and a lower fat content than many other meats. For instance, a 100-gram serving of roasted chicken offers 31 grams of protein, making it an excellent choice for individuals seeking to build muscle mass. 6. Better immunity. Whether you're suffering from a cold or the flu, chicken is frequently included in recovery meals. This is because chicken can help bolster your body's immune system. The steam generated by chicken soup can assist in clearing nasal passages, while the soup's thick consistency can shield the throat from microbial invasions on the respiratory lining. Moreover, studies have demonstrated that chicken soup can considerably decrease neutrophil migration, which decreases inflammation and boosts immunity. 7. Faster weight loss. Incorporating chicken into a vegetable-rich diet has been linked to a reduced risk of becoming overweight or obese, making it an excellent food choice for weight loss. Studies have shown that consuming a high-protein diet can aid in weight loss, and chicken can be a key component of a high-protein diet. Researchers believe that high-protein diets can increase feelings of fullness, resulting in the consumption of fewer calories and carbohydrates during the next meal. Consuming 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal is recommended to reduce appetite, maintain a healthy weight, and improve cardiometabolic risk factors like waist circumference, blood pressure, and triglycerides. However, the cooking method used for chicken is crucial when it comes to weight loss. Baking, roasting, or grilling chicken are healthier methods compared to deep frying or consuming processed chicken products such as chicken nuggets. 8. Better oral health. Chicken is packed with phosphorus, a nutrient that is highly beneficial for your oral health. Phosphorus is known to strengthen both your teeth and gums. By regularly consuming phosphorus-rich foods like chicken, you can help counteract factors that weaken your teeth and gums, and prevent gum bleeding. However, if you notice consistent bleeding in your gums, it's important to seek advice from a healthcare professional as it may be indicative of a more serious oral health issue. 9. Lower cholesterol levels. As previously mentioned, chicken is a rich source of vitamin B3, also known as niacin, which plays a crucial role in converting carbohydrates into energy and maintaining healthy body cells. Research has also shown that it can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease in people with high cholesterol. Compared to red meats like beef, pork, and lamb, chicken, fish, and vegetables have significantly lower levels of saturated fat and cholesterol. Therefore, it is recommended to choose chicken over red meat to reduce the risk of developing cholesterol-related heart diseases. However, it is important to consume chicken in moderation, as excessive intake may lead to the development of heart disease. 10. Better protection against depression. Chicken is a rich source of tryptophan, an amino acid that has a calming effect on the nervous system and can improve sleep. Eating chicken dishes can increase serotonin levels in the brain, which can improve mood and reduce stress and depression. Additionally, chicken is loaded with vitamin B3, which can also effectively improve mood, especially during cold winter days. Boiling or roasting a small chicken can provide a nutritious meal that supports mental health. This is an often overlooked health benefit of chicken. 11. Healthier tissue growth. During the winter, many people experience issues such as chapped lips, cracked mouth, sore tongue, or dry skin. Fortunately, eating chicken or chicken liver can help alleviate these problems. This is due to the presence of riboflavin, a type of vitamin B2, which can effectively combat dry skin and repair damaged tissues in the body. 12. Improved eyesight. Chicken meat is abundant in retinol, alpha and beta-carotene, and lycopene, all of which are derived from vitamin A, making it extremely beneficial for maintaining healthy eyesight. In fact, incorporating chicken into your daily diet can help to stabilize and maintain the health of your vision. Therefore, if you are experiencing eye problems, it is recommended that you regularly consume chicken as a part of your diet. 13. Lower cancer risk. Chicken is a rich source of selenium, which is a trace element known for its anti-cancer properties. Additionally, selenium has been shown to have a positive impact on the incidence of other degenerative diseases such as inflammatory, cardiovascular, and neurological diseases, as well as infections. As an antioxidant, selenium enhances the activity of vitamins C and E in fighting free radicals that promote cancer growth. Consuming a 3-ounce portion of chicken provides you with 24 micrograms of selenium, which is 44% of the daily recommended intake. 14. Protect you from common cold. Chicken has long been considered a traditional remedy for alleviating the common cold. It can help relieve common symptoms such as a sore throat and congested nose. Furthermore, the presence of tryptophan can provide a comforting effect when feeling sick. Chicken also possesses antidepressant properties that can be effective in treating colds. Studies have indicated that consuming warm chicken soup can provide relief from common cold symptoms, including a congested nose and sore throat. 15. Better metabolism. Chicken is an excellent food for improving your metabolic system, particularly due to its high selenium content. It can also be beneficial for addressing thyroid and hormonal issues. Moreover, vitamin B6 present in chicken can help to boost your metabolism, which can keep your energy levels up while burning calories, thereby aiding in maintaining a healthy weight. We would like to hear from you about how often you consume chicken and what your favorite chicken dish is. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.